art friends, today we are going to draw a Santa shark.
Yeah, a shark with a Santa hat and a Santa beard. We hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using marker paper to draw on since we're using our markers to draw with. But first we're going to use our pencil to draw the main shape of our shark. And with any of our lessons, even though we might use a marker, you could use a pencil first. Let's start by drawing the top of our shark. We're going to draw the nose over here. We're going to come up and we're going to come down for the tail and then curve again. And I'm going to make it a little shorter so that we have room for the fin, the tail fin. And you could shorten that maybe to there too. Then over here on the tail, let's leave a little space. We could put a small guide point. We're going to draw the belly of our shark, but we don't want to come to a point back here. We'll start at a point here for the nose, and we're going to draw a curve that just comes down and connects. So we're going to draw the belly curving down really far and then back up and connect. Or touch the guide point. Yeah, that's awesome. And I love that you started over and you drew a different line. And you can then erase any lines you don't want to keep. And that's all we're using our pencil for. So we can put that off to the side and switch to our marker. Let's first draw the eye for our shark. And we're going to draw a circle right here. And then we can draw the smaller circle inside for the highlight. And we can color it in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now we're going to draw the Santa hat. And we're going to start here over the eye. And we're going to draw inside the body line right here. We could stop there. Then let's draw the fluffy part, the bottom of our Santa hat. I'm going to draw little bumpy lines going all the way over and connecting to the other side. Then let's draw the top of our Santa hat. We could draw a little curve here. And then we'll start over here. We're going to draw the Santa hat flopped over. So I'm drawing an S curve that goes up, down, and then a little curve at the end. Yeah. And then we can draw the other side of our Santa hat. You could leave a little space here, and then we could draw the pom-pom or the fluffy little snowball at the end of our Santa hat. Yes, that looks awesome. Now let's draw our shark's nose. We're going to start here on the hat, and we'll come down to that point. Then we're going to come down the pencil line for the belly, but we're going to turn it into our shark mouth, a really happy smile. And I'm going to stop next to the eye. We could even draw a little cheek line here too. And then right here, let's draw our shark mouth open. So we're going to come down and then up to the cheek line. And then let's draw a zigzag line for the teeth inside. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for extra time. You can even pause it if you need more time to add extra details or you want to change things. All right, now let's give our shark a Santa beard. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a little fluffy beard line. I'm going to come down here. We could stop there because I was drawing little zigzags going this way. It might help if we start over here and then draw the zigzag lines coming down to meet here. It's starting to look like a Santa shark. I love your little face. That's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the rest of the belly for our shark. So we're not going to draw through the beard. We're going to leave that pencil line, and we'll start here and just trace over to the tail. Yeah, and then we can also do the same thing for the back. Let's start up here and don't draw through the Santa hat, just over here for the back of our shark. Yeah, and then let's draw the tail fin. We're going to draw a curve coming up really high. And then the one coming down, we're going to draw shorter. And then we can draw a curve coming down like this, and then a shorter one there. Yeah, and then you can connect it. Perfect. Look at that little shark tail. Okay, now let's draw the back fin. We're going to start here, and on the hat, I'm going to draw it coming to the right. and then we'll draw it curving in and down. Yes. Okay, then let's draw the side fins. We can draw a curve here, and then a curve coming back up, and almost like you're going to connect but leave space. And then let's draw one over here to make it look 3D. We'll draw it coming down, and then back up. Let's also draw those smaller fins on the tail, on top, and also on the bottom. Oh, and what are we missing?
Gills.
Yeah, let's add them right here behind the beard. 1, 2, 3. We did it! We finished drawing our Santa shark, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Oh, and also before we color, we want to use our erasers to erase any of the pencil lines we can still see. All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Santa sharks, and they turned out awesome, especially like yours.
Oh, thanks. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now our friends can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. It's pretty simple. We just used a dark gray for the top and red for the Santa hat, but we also used blue, light blue, for a little bit of shading. I also used a white colored pencil to add highlights, but you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier.
You could also add a background.
Oh, that would be really cool. You could draw them underwater with other fish, and oh, those could be the elf fish.
We hope you had fun drawing your Santa shark.
We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.